Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a video with Wixel's AI. Let's get started. So go to Wixel.com. Make sure that you're logged in, by the way. You can use your existing Wix account, or if not, you can always sign in. Once you're in, click on Create with AI. On this chat field, type in your prompt or describe what kind of video you'd like to create. The more detailed the description, the better the results will be. By the way, generating a video will take up some of your credits, so just a heads up. You'll have 30 free credits daily, but if you'd like to have more, you can always upgrade to their premium plan. Once you're done inputting your prompt, click on Generate right over here. Now, Aria will start analyzing your prompt. And while it's finishing up your video, you will be taken to the Wixel editor where you can work on your video. This phase can take up to several minutes, so wait for it to finish processing your video. And once it's done processing, your video will be ready for preview. Not only that, you can actually edit your video on your timeline panel below. So go ahead and play your video, see if you're happy with it, or if you would need to generate the shot. If you would need to generate the shot, you can just hover over your video clip and click on Regenerate Shot right over here. But take note, each time you generate something with Aria, it will take up your credits. So just a heads up. Anyway, there you go. So that's how you generate a video with Wixel. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.